Welcome. In front of me I have LG NanoCell TV, and today I'll show you how you can change your audio language. So at the first you have to tap on the settings icon on your remote control. Next you have to go for the all settings. Find the general settings. Go for the language. And right now you can find here the primary audio language and also the secondary audio language. I'm going to change first one for English, from Polish to English. So just pick the language that you want. After that, when you go back, as you can see, it changed. It was very simple, right? So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.